Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about limiting reactants. So there is a question here. 1.2 gram of magnesium reacts with a solution containing 2.74 gram of hydrochloric acid. Show by calculation which is the limiting reactant. The questions gave us the value of Mg 24, chlorine 35.5, and hydrogen that is 1. Okay, first of all, let's try to understand what is exactly limiting reactant. When we talk about the limiting reactants or limiting reactant, that's exactly the one that is not in excess. It means one of the reactants is in limited amount. Now, if we look at this, we can solve this by looking at that there is magnesium react with a solution of hydrochloric acid. That's of course in aqueous state, and it turns into MgCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Now, the magnesium is 1.2 gram. That's the mass. Meanwhile, this is 2.74 gram. They are in mass conditions, or means that they count it or they weigh that in mass in order to find out what exactly the amount of its reactants. So the first step that we can find here is find the value of mole, each of them. So calculate the number of moles of its reactant. If we look at this, the Mg, that's definitely 1.2 divided by 24, that it is 0.05 mole. And then HCl, that equals to 2.74 divided by 36.5. How did I get 36.5? That's exactly from the molar mass hydrogen and chlorine. So then it is 0.075 mole. So we got each mole of them, but this is not exactly the final answer. The second step that we can use here in order to get the answer, the second step, we have to find out what exactly the amount of them. We can see from the reaction here, we have to balance them. Magnesium plus HCl turns into MgCl2 plus H2. Let's try to balance this. If we try to balance, this is going to be times with 2. And this is 1. So we got this 1 Mg and 2 HCl. 1 Mg and 2 HCl. So we can find that in 1 Mg, there's 0.05 mole. In 2 HCl, we have 0.075 mole. So then it is not a balanced comparison because one ratio of Mg to 2 ratio of HCl. So what we can do here is, let's try to divide this. For 1 HCl, it's going to be 0.075 divided by 2. Then it is going to be 0.0375 mole. Now let's see which one is more. In one ratio of Mg, it is 0.05 mole. In one ratio of HCl, it is 0.0375. So we can find, step 3, that Mg is in excess. y in excess. So we can subtract 0.05 minus 0.0375, which is 0.0125 mole. Now the question, which one the limiting reactant? So the limiting reactants, that's definitely HCl. And this is the LR. Okay, I hope everyone understand about this video and what we're learning today, and hope this can help you a lot. We'll see you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Thank you.